myself Dr. Ankita, Assistant Professor in RPIT Medical and Technical Campus, Karnal. Today I will discuss about the topic blood. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Blood Part 8. Homeostasis या homeostasis. Step of the homeostasis. वस्कुलर स्पाजम है, प्लेटलेट्स प्लग फॉर्मेशन होगी, कोएगुलेशन होगा मतलब ब्लड क्लोटिंग होगी, फिब्रिनोलाइसिस है. दिस इज़ द डायग्राम वेज कंस्ट्रक्शन दिखा रखी है फर्स्ट डायग्राम में, सेकंड में प्लेटलेट्स एग्रीगेशन दिखा रखी है, थर्ड में क्लोटिंग फॉर्मेशन दिखा रखी है. फर्स्ट है वस्कुलर स्पाजम. वस्कुलर किसके द्वारा कॉज किया जाता है? डायरेक्ट इंजरी, वेजो कंस्ट्रक्शन स्पेशली इन द एरिया वेयर डैमेज टुक प्लेस, केमिकली सब्सटेंस लाइक सीरोटोनिन produced by platelets that aggregate on damaged blood vessels and thromboxanes released by damaged vessels. पेन रिफ्लैक्स होगा ये डायग्राम वेजो कंस्ट्रक्शन का डायग्राम है. स्टेप 1 वैसो वस्कुलर स्पाजम. सेकेंड है प्लेटलेट्स प्लग फॉर्मेशन, प्राइमरी एग्रीगेशन एंड discontinuities in the endothelium are followed by platelets aggregation to exposed collagen. Thus a platelet plug is formed at a first step to stop bleeding. Second is secondary aggregation. Platelets in the plug release an adhesive glycoprotein and ADP. Both are potent platelets aggregation, increasing the size of platelets plug. This is a step to platelets plug formation. Injury in lining of vessels exposes collagen fibrous platelets adhere. प्लेटलेट्स प्लग फॉर्म बने हुए हैं इसमें डायग्राम में दिखाया हुआ है. थर्ड है कोएगुलेशन मतलब ब्लड क्लॉटिंग. कोएगुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर स्टॉपेज ऑफ ब्लीडिंग फ्रॉम एन इंजर्ड ब्लड vessels. The process of coagulation is complex and involved many steps and many factors, most of which is proteins. The factors are identified by Roman numerals 1 to 13 and also given names as shown in the next slide. This clotting factor activate each other in specific order, resulting in the formation of prothrombin activator. Prothrombin activator is the first step in the final common pathway of blood coagulation. In the final common pathway, the prothrombin activator converts prothrombin present in the plasma to thrombin and enzymes. Thrombin acts on the plasma protein fibrogen and converted into the insoluble fibers of fibrin. These fibers form a meshwork in which blood get entangled to form a salt clot. The final common pathway can be initiated by two pathways. Intrinsic pathway occurs due to tissue damage. Intrinsic pathway occurs due to damage to endothelial cell. Each pathway consists of a number of steps that are shown in the next slides. This is the intrinsic pathway. Injury to blood, injury through vessels leads to contact of blood with collagen. फिर ये inactive factor होगा. 12th is inactivated. Inactivated factor. 11th is activated. Inactivated factor. 9th is activated. 9th is activated. Inactivated. 11th is activated in presence of Ca. Inactivated factor. 10th is activated in presence of factor 8th phospholipid released by platelets and Ca. Calcium. Prothrombin activator formed in presence of factor 5 and calcium. Prothrombin converted to thrombin. Thrombin converted fibrogen to fibrin. Blood cell get entangled in fibrin meshwork to form clot. This is the intrinsic pathway. Same है extrinsic. Extrinsic में इसमें injury of vessels हो, इसमें tissue injury हो जाएगी. Tissue injury thromboplastin factor 3 released हो जाएगा इसमें. Factor 3rd and factor 7th from a complex to presence of calcium. Same. This is the extrinsic and intrinsic pathway.